Mop is designed to be extremely maneuverable in small spaces such as bathrooms, locker rooms, restaurants, kitchens, and more. Guide wheels located on the front right and left of the unit allow you to clean efficiently and safely against walls and other objects. The independent functionality of the Easy Mop allows the user to use the scrub deck and solution separate from the vacuum to effectively scrub heavily soiled areas. The new Easy Mop from Minuteman can only be purchased through authorized Minuteman dealers. Please call us today for a no obligation